going to show you how to dribble with a 58 ball control, and it's not a thing that you just need to force yourself to do, but it's a practicing tool that when I play on builds like this with lower ball control, it helps me get my shot creator game way better, my controlling my dribbles, how much I have left. Like, just look at this right here. You know, now that we have that Gatorade boost, we still have that timing to hit that shot still, you know. And we're gonna get deep people into this video today, because I know a lot of people ain't gonna watch the tutorials. Look at this move right here too, people. Like, let me just slow it down for you guys. Like, this is elite bag work. This is why I've been doing this like for a while. It got a little bit more popular, but you know, I guess certain other people brought it up. But I've been playing like this for a while now against competition. People say it don't work against Park, it don't work this. I've always been playing like this. Look, I do this little dribble to throw him off right here. He moves. Reactionary dribbling. I've been making YouTube shorts on this. Then right here, he is beat. At this point, I use the DeMar DeRozan step back to go to the right. So I hold my left stick to the right and I tap X, right? And that's will give me this hop step animation. And you right here, you just have to time. Rising shots, stamina, rising shots. You see how my stamina bar was still going up on that shot? These are the type of shots that I like to take naturally, because these shots will just help you get less of that window lag, or that, you know, your shot speeds up too fast type time, you know, certain things like that. So you have to watch this. Look at the behind the back right here. He's beat. At this point, I go into the post position, and right here I do the little post fade. Like, you see my post game is different. I show y'all the post back, it's different. It's more of a bag. Now you just go into 1v1 and you practice with what you have. Now, I always take into factor when I'm getting wide open shots, I'm never mad. That's just something I have to time, and that's the training right there in itself. I already have a low ball control, so I can't do much. If a person comes to want to bump me, they can do that. The only thing you'll see players getting against me is them going to the rack and driving. It's literally sad how 2K literally has that family friendly tool in the game when players don't dunk on people like that in real life at all. You know what I mean? So it's just like, damn, these players get to get away with certain things that they think is skill. But if you watch my gameplay, you're really seeing IRL realistic, putting the ball in the right spots. Look at this. That shot's even wide open. It's just my timing. Like I said, that's just stuff I check myself. Okay, I got to hit. Even when I'm watching, doing this video back, I'm like, I got to hit those because it's wide open. It's just, you have to get that effect out your head that, oh, he's right there, or he's coming up, or, and you let it go too early and just time it the same way. If he's truly not contesting, you'll get into the muscle memory and rhythm of visualizing that and seeing that happen, and then you'll be able to just time your shots. You won't even care that he's there. You'll just understand, like, okay, yeah, I can just hit this shot each time. He's not contesting properly. And you see the defense right here. Locking him up. 6-3, yeah, he's up right now. Look, crossover, we stop right here, shoot the crazy tough mid. You see that? Just simple, quick, people. Watch. Simple, quick. We're gonna do some slowdowns, but not yet. Look at this. Woohoo! That's like a crab. That's a 58 ball control, people, doing that right there. People will shame on the left stick, but it's like part of the game to really dribble, like to put the ball between your legs, get to a different spot real quick. Look at this. He's beat, and then I do a snatch back, right? The snatch back is like the normal one, but the normal one's not bad because you can get a quick stop animation on the 3-point line and just shoot the ball easily like that. 58 ball control. And I'm using the ball control takeover, so it's putting up a little bit, like it gets it up to like at least like a I forget what it gets it up to, but it's nothing where it's like, I'm using the basic animations here, people, showing you like you could do dribble moves, you could do regular crossovers, get past players. Look, people just dribble past me and just dunk the ball. That's all they doing in here. This build is a new build I recently made, and once you get all the cat breakers, you get to the full extent of him. So it's still certain things people slip with. I don't want to go in deep detail on that. Don't worry about that. People just watch how I'm cooking these guys. Look how I get the space right here to the corner. I'm telling y'all, it's just, we not in that time yet. I'm probably ahead of time, and maybe a few years down the line, some other people will start getting away more on the map because they'll actually be skillful. You know, I play against good players and play like this, but it just don't get the recognition I think it deserves. You know, so I just started teaching little videos playing like this. You know what I mean? And people could pick the skill up. Gets the ball back. What is he doing with it? Look at this. You see how they left stick? he less sticks himself into a bad animation and can't hit off that. 2K has like a computer in the game to watch stuff like that. You know, players just silly guy. We got more to show y'all. Please watch the full gameplay. Like I really does this. Like, and people be like, oh, you will get clamped up in this. Oh my, yeah, you will get clamped up. Da, 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 da. Now watch this. Like, look at this. 1, 2 between the legs. Look at the ball placement. Look at the ball placement to the shot. I'm telling you, once you have that type of IQ, it don't matter who you play. It's just about what they give you. That's reactionary. It's not like I'm trying to set myself up to do that. It's just, if it's all given there, I know I got my step back shot. I know I got this type of shot. I know I can hold the right stick down, hold it to the right. He's on my left side, so I hold it to my right. You see what I'm saying? I hold my left stick to my right so I can get that step back animation. IQ. Here's the next game versus a brown plate, 7-foot center. And you know 2K made the game family friendly. I always say this because they made the game where people can dunk. People, oh, why shouldn't we be able to dunk the ball? Like, I feel like yes you should, but it's like they never found the way to really truly make dunking skill. At least shooting has that little balance where you can contest. Like, dunking usually is mostly the easiest thing, and you really have to work harder on defense to block somebody's dunk than them actually trying to go harder to pull their dunk off on you. No, it's not that. So right here you see I go and I take the tough little oof. So you see I take my dribble, I take that one little dribble and I'm speeding off to a side, going hard. I use my size up escape, then I do my left stick crossover into a dribble pull up. Quick little sequence. This is true reactionary dribbling. IRL realistic. Got him on my body, I take a spin shot. Now the goal about playing this way is to take the shots. You see, even though that was high contested, take your shots quick, don't waste too much time, keep him on his heels. Okay, when I really get into my ISO bag and I'm in my own unique ISO bag, when somebody says, okay, go ISO, or I got a mismatch, right? I'm on this easy defense, don't know what he's doing, right? Let's go, log in. And I'll give y'all this build. Just let me know if y'all want this build in the comment section too. Okay, look at the snatch. Has he too much space? Okay, easy. You see how he's on his heels now? Like I told you guys, you have to take your shots quick. Don't waste too much time. Let him know, like, let him see, reveal to him what you have. Look at this step back right here in his grill. Y'all see how we move it? Jab, crossover, snatch, cross again. My little cousin got the meter on. I don't know why I let him play the game. He puts my meter on my second account. Behind the back, step back. Look at this. Bring it back again. I tried him with something crazy. I don't use meter on. Like, it's too easy to turn the meter off, people. You don't need it on. All right, he's not that young, but he still is. When he's on playing, he like using the meter. No, turn it off, people. Get used to it. I just forget to turn it back off. We don't need that though. The game is too easy to, like, nah, come on. Log back in. 9. Look at this. Body contact. I don't have anything right here. Look at this though. Do I? Open. Imagine you could hit stuff like that. You just gotta really get locked. And look what I said people only can do to me is meter dunk. That's it. Left stick, I hope they get that little lane and get the meter dunk like this. Boom. That's it. Because 2K has this natural foot plan thing where people just slide through. If you don't get the little bump with the on-ball menace, they'll slide through. If they get that lane, they'll give him an automatic dunk. Right here, I bump him up. He doesn't get it. No, sir, not this time. Sorry. 4-9. Let's watch the work, man. This is crazy with a 58 ball control. Look how we moving. Look at this. Nothing. Try stop, shoot a 3. Great shot. Great shot. Just gotta get the timing. You see what they tell me up there. Good shot selection. That's what dribbling is all about. Being able to dribble, create, open up a shot for yourself. Once you can do that, you're a good dribbler. Regardless of how you dribble, and if you dribble in a style somebody doesn't like, whatever they call it, whatever the case is. Now watch this. He's going to get a few plays where he clamped me up because I'm like trying to get a nice little cook up. It's like, okay, he got me right here, out of bounds, cool. I'm like, all right, tough. That's all right. But watch when I finish this game, people. I'm really gonna show y'all I'm really like that. Look at him trying to do it. They give it to him. It's all right. I'm not worried about that. He got the lane. I'm behind him. Cool. Tries to take a shot. You see, it's not in their bags. Now I just need one more bucket. That's all I really need is one bucket on him. Cross, stop, shoot a midi. No. He got the contest there. Okay. We're getting a little tight. Now I'm pressing him because I'm like, you know what? I could really lock him up. He don't got no ball control. We pressing him. Playing that super tight D. Come on. Look at this. Super tight. Super tight. Super tight. Stop it. Now watch what I do to this man. Get this easy stop right here. Like I'm telling y'all. The takeover goes up, so you know what we about to hit him with. You know we gotta hit him with something tough like this crossover. Oh, between the legs, another snatch. Oh, step back. Create that space. Come on now. Come on now. It's like that.